And the brown shrimp.
What's up, y'all? I don't know if y'all can hear me or not, but me and Daniel out here doing some trout fishing. So I'm just gonna can't talk, gonna get right into it.
Hey, we ain't caught trout that big.
Redfish. Redfish.
I found redfish.
Redfish. That boy said we hadn't found the trout. Oh. I might have put a bigger jig head on. I can't even stay on the bottom.
Like a trout, look at him.
Yeah, shooting across. No head shakes though. That's definitely a redfish.
Good red.
Really good red. Yep. I'm still in the water. Might be oversized. Oh, perfect size redfish, dude.
Cracked it too.
Perfect size red. I'm about to let mine sink. Held that thing.
Oh, I got him. Alright.
Good stuff, dude. Woo. Yeah, we got like 1 or 2 fish pushing around here somewhere in this little, in the mouth of that little cut. Let's see if we can creep up there. We can pluck them out of there. I think there's one right here. I think there's one up there. Oh, I got hit right there. Where are you? Oh my God, it's a snag. Oh.
Alright, guys. So we're seeing these redfish blowing up along the bank up here. And we're just kind of running around trying to catch them. Oh, we got a good one right here. Solid over there. Nice.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Another fish for the bunny. This is my first redfish on the bunny, guys. Like you just heard, Daniel, seeing these fish on the bank, cruising on the bank, blowing stuff up on the bank. There's one up there too. On the bunny! Oh. Yes, sir. Alright, I got another one right here. Right there. Oh!
Like that.
Like that!
Like that.
Oh my God.
Coming at me. That's a small one.
I see a big one over here. Small little guy on the drop. Let's go, this shit.
Wow. Another one. Alright, guys. We're banging them out here. You can't be afraid to come out on these nasty days. These fish always usually stacked up somewhere. You guys, always, our channel's linked down below. If you're ever actually just paired up in Lacuna too. So you guys gotta check out their rides. Link in the description. Let's get another one. Like that. Get another one like that. Well, that's a good one, Roland. Whoa, where's it going?
Oh, big fish. Oh my God. Did y'all see that? Oh my God. Let's go. Double. 100 miles an hour, guys.
Oh my God, we got a double, boys.
Big fish.
We got a giant on.
Big fish.
I got a good one too.
Oh my gosh. Y'all, it's crazy. Let's go. On the Lacuna Liquor Series, guys. Really good rods. Man's got a keeper. Nice little double right there, guys.
See if I can get it in.
Oh my god! Here's so I get him out of the net. Alright, here we go. See, go ahead and net Daniel's fish too. Okay, bring him over here.
Get in there.
There we go.
Alright.
Let's go. Hey, fingers are numb, guys, but we're still catching them.
Jesus.
Good job, bro. Good
Nice.
job, man. This guy right here, we're seeing these fish just blowing up stuff on the bank right now. The wind's blowing at least sustained 20 miles an hour and gust of what? 35, 40?
35, 40.
Easily, but hey, look at that. They're still eating. Throwing the new Saltyhead bunny jig with this one's their brown shrimp color, and I actually put a shrimp tail on there. They're crushing this thing, so I'll keep chucking this thing around so we can catch some more of these big guys like that. But yeah.
7 1/4.
I thought this fish was oversized. That is a perfect tank for any Texas tournament right there. Look at that. I'll put him on the scale and see how much he weighs.
Not even close to 28
Well, there
inches.
you go,
That's
y'all.
what you want. Oh my god.
That a 9 1/4. Don't get any better than that. I'll let this big girl go. Hey, hope she sticks around for next Saturday, man.
Hopefully she's 10 pounds by then.
Yeah, right. All right, big girl, keep going. There you go, too. And we continue. Got another one?
Yep.
Oh, wow.
Another one.
Trout. Wolf speck.
Little speckled trout. Mixed in with the redfish.
Yeah, good fish.
In the boat.
Let's go.
Yes, sir.
I swear I had something waking up in mine. Tail. Look at all the bait up there. Redfish. Good redfish. I gotta put it in front of their face with this. Oh, little guy. Oh, you got hooked
Running
off
around
there.
like all crazy.
Yeah.
Oh, they got another double.
Oh, good fish
got
right there.
another one.
Good fish right there on the bunny, guys. On the bunny.
We were just tagging fish, guys. This is what we're only got work at 6 o'clock. So Roland was like, let's go out. I'm like, screw it, let's go. Can't catch us sitting at the house. Let's see if I throw in there and get a triple.
Oh, redfish right there.
That's another keeper, Roland.
Yeah. Barely got him hooked, but
Up in the boat. Ooh, that's a good
actually
fish.
a nice fish, yeah.
That's actually a really good fish.
Let's go. Look how I hook this fish, guys. We don't get any closer than that right there.
That is a good fish.
That is very close. About flat.
You ain't bottom one. I'm a bottom one in there.
Oh yeah, see that? He's they're in there. One just
Oh, yeah,
push,
I see.
push it back. Oh,
Got him. Got him. Guys, I know y'all heard what I just said. I was like, Ro, if you ain't throwing in there, I'm throwing in there. See, there's another one in there.
it's a good fish too.
Oh,
Yeah. Good fish. Another good fish, y'all. Look at that.
Oh, yeah. Nice.
Really liking this jig. Really, oh, right there. That's about where he's at right there. Shallow water, I knew this was going to be a good one. Fishing about 4 or 5 foot right here. Some area shallower. This has been pretty key. Oh, coming out of there, Might find it. Oh! Oh my god. Oyster.
Nah, you know what that is? That's how. Come here, Ron. There.
tank.
Damn it.
And one blow up right here. Oh, got him!
Got him.
I got him!
Oh, it's a beast! It's a beast! It's a beast!
Look at that, y'all. Look at the spots on him too.
Oh!
Oh my god! Oh my god! We just seen this fish blow up right here. I mean, he crushed this thing.
That was awesome, bro. I got that on camera too.
I think I did too.
That was awesome.
Oh my gosh! If I get a hold of him, check that out.
Popped it.
Jumped on it, y'all. Look at the spots on that guy too.
1, 2, 3,
5, I think.
6.
Oh wow! Right here.
The boat rolling.
Right here.
What a burger!
On the water burger. Let's go,
Yeah,
dude.
right under the boat. He swallowed it.
Wow. Good stuff, dude. On the water burger.
What is that water burger?
An old Texas fish.
That's a Texas fish right there. Let's go, boys. He's popping right under the boat.
Solid. Hitting something.
Trout school.
Oh,
Oh, he took my tail.
no,
Oh, he did. He popped it.
on the drop. Trout. On the drop, yo.
I said it.
Yep. On the trout.
That's a redfish.
There's a redfish. Helicopter around like that. Red.
There he is. Hey, buddy.
Tiny little guy on the drop. With the OG. Right out. Whoa! Whoa! On the drop, bro. School of rats, y'all. Oh, it's a trout right there.
That's a trout.
There's a trout. Damn.
Damn.
Hell, that thing, too. Hell yeah.
Nice.
Okay. Alright. On the drop. And held that bad boy. Funny. Watch this right here. Oh, it's hailing.
Guys, we are stuck in a hailstorm.
Is that cold? Oh my god.
Hailing right now.
Oh shit. Wow, it really is hell.
We're out here in a hailstorm. Oh my goodness.
It's our first hailstorm in a boat, bro.
This is definitely the most extreme weather me and Roland's ever fished.
Oh, another big fish up there,
And
dude.
the fish are chewing.
Fish are chewing right now. Oh my god, dude, a big fish up there. Wow, right here, trout on the bucktail.
On the Whataburger.
Oh, let's go. Good trout. Good
Get in the
trout.
boat. In
Good.
the hailstorm, boys.
Good stuff, bro.
I think this is that flat.
Who's gonna get him?
Got him.
I got him.
Oh, we got him.
Trout.
Trout.
Big trout.
Oh,
Oh, we got him in. Let's go.
oh wait. I got one too.
Let's go.
I got a trout. Oh no.
Oh my god. Look at that. Oh my god!
Roland's probably got a 20.
I got another 20 right here.
Look, guys, Roland's fish can eat my fish. Like, seriously.
Oh my god, I'm so sorry, big girl. I'm so excited. Oh man, let's see what this trout measures.
Woo!
Let's go, dude.
Down. What is it?
Go on, girl. Settle down. Close your mouth. There we go. I got myself
Got another 20. That's Roland's
Let's
second.
go.
How big's mine? Mine is 15 and a half inches.
15 and a half inches. Big enough to go in the box.
Big enough to go in the box.
Alright, mama. Make some babies. Here she goes. Oh, we got multiple fish running out here. Pretty sure Dan's gonna hook up in a little bit. We just see one right around here now. And my line's messed up. Should get another one on this side too. Got him.
Got him.
Told you one on that side. Smaller guy.
Look at that.
It's trout. Wow, good trout.
It's sad when we thinking these big trout are little redfish. Woo!
Another big trout right there. Hook came right out too again. There we go, y'all.
Solid, probably 18-incher right there.
In the box it goes. Nice box right there, y'all. Alright, y'all. So far, this little guy here has been doing really, really good. So I suggest you guys pick up, you know, one or two of these. Try them out. Use my discount code. Dale's got discount code. Got discount codes for the Billies also. So check them out. As you can see, they do work. Check that out. A solid trout. That's a redfish there. Gotta love it. Oh, shot there. Wow. On the beam. On the fucking beam. Mere dive. Trout? That's redfish. Probably one
Oh,
solid.
he swallowed it, Roland.
Good luck getting that out of there.
He swallowed
Good luck getting that out of there. Look at that. It held that thing.
it. Held it. That's what you want to see.
Good job, man. Oh, I think that's a popping right there. Something right there. Got him.
Good fish. That is one coming down.
There we go, y'all. Oh shit. Gee. Nope.
Bigger fish.
That's a bigger fish, yeah. We're about 24. He hit it and just sat on it, bro. 23. On that salt and pep. Oh, this one up here on the thing. This point right here. Oh, wow. There's one at the point back there, too. Oh, way in there, yeah. Let's go. Found it again.
Not even good with those.
Solid fish. Fat fish. Clean water there too. Calm there also.
Fat fish.
That is actually a pretty good fish. We definitely gotta push him to the beach. There's one up there. It's too big to be a fucking mullet, bro. Look, oh, he was right here. He was right fucking here.
We're still in this canal, bro.
Yeah. It's gotta be multiple. Got him. Got him.
Oh, nice redfish.
Good redfish. The shrimp. Good red.
That's a head.
Hell yeah. Ran through school. Here we go. Been a little minute since we caught one, but there he is. Got him. Told you, this is not where he was supposed to be. It's a big one.
Easy with him.
Big fish. Net. Net. Dude, fat fish. Oh, barely got him hooked. Oh!
Too much on
Oh, y'all.
it. Easy one.
Left it down there and he picked it up. Stud. Got spots on him too.
They swallowed that.
Look at that fish. Oh god. I'm not even feeling it.
You able to flip him, bro?
Yeah, I don't think so. Another tournament fish right there, y'all. Yes, sir. Dude, this. Oh wow. Oh, the shad that popped up. Don't. Dude, look at the spot.
Oh, no, it's still there, That's a mullet. Something hit him.
Popped him, yeah. Here we go, y'all.
Big fish.
No, look at the spots on this fish, dude.
Oh, God.
Look at all those
Look
spots.
at the spots on that fish.
Oh my god.
That's like a 20 spotter.
What a beautiful fish, y'all.
That'll win you a
Oh my god, the other side too.
Oh my god. Count how many spots he has on it.
Oh my
We have to count how
god.
many spots
Look at
he
this,
has.
guys. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 on one side. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28 spotter, guys.
28 spotter.
28 spotter. That fish right there will win you some money.
Oh my god.
And he's got some girth on him.
Roland caught a 28 spot redfish. Look at this. I'll get some pictures from him.
Yes, please. Oh, let's go ahead and let this bad boy right here go. Wait, before we let it go, let's measure it. See how long it is. 24 and a half. Tournament spot winner right there, guys. This is probably the last fish we're gonna catch today. I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. Been a very, very productive morning. And we got here pretty late. So thanks for watching. Let's let the big girl go. Alright guys, we had a pretty productive morning. Now I'm going to show you guys what we caught today. These are all the slot fish that we kept. All the slot trout under 20 inches. Redfish are under 24 inches. Y'all seen, we probably caught 10 fish over 25 inches today. So pretty productive morning. A lot of fish caught on this bad boy here. Saltyhead hooktail. The Dudley on there. We got the murder weapon right there on that Lacuna medium light right there.